Good morning, everybody. Day 2 of home renovations. We just got back from church. I'm gonna be getting changed into some work clothes. The plan for today is just to kind of finish up what we started yesterday and a little bit of other stuff, but we have our floor guy coming out to measure for the floors. We've got some people coming to visit the house, so I'm just gonna film what I can for today and we'll try and get done our to-do list. I'm actually gonna pop our to-do list up here and hopefully we can get all of these things checked off. We're just whittling it down little by little. And yeah, this is kind of our last day to get demo construction stuff done until next weekend. This is the gutter situation. The gutter, as you can see, just broke off. It was going into the ground and there were like tree roots growing like in it. Like you can see here, this was the end of the gutter. It was completely compacted and filled. So essentially rendering it useless. So in trying to pull this stuff out, the whole piece came off. But honestly, this is better than this because it was in the ground. So we are going to eventually replace all of the gutters, but for right now we're just trying to clean the top because it is supposed to rain 3 days next week and the gutter problem is contributing to our roofing problem. We're getting a new roof, so the gutters need to be working. So Ricky's just cleaning out all the gutters and making sure that they work. Meanwhile, I'm inside and I'm going around and taking off all the quarter round, basically in the entire house. We just had our floor guy over. We ordered our floor. It was expensive, but we did get a pretty good deal on it. So I'm glad about that. We ended up going with the lighter color floor. I just think it's gonna make it feel nice and bright in here. We talked to him about a lot of things. So he even walked us through some options we can do out in the sunroom later on. Thankfully, he's a family friend and he's giving us an amazing deal on everything. And he's like an overall handyman. He does a lot of carpentry. He does all kinds of things. So he's gonna be a huge help to us. He's probably gonna advise us on how to do our pantry shelving as well. So yeah, we got it all figured out. We're getting the floor delivered Tuesday the 24th. So we have to make sure that this bedroom in here, we basically have to fully prep the floor in here so that by the 24th they can come in, they're gonna stack all the flooring in here and it needs to kind of acclimate to the house. So tomorrow, I'm gonna be coming with my dad and just making sure the floor is like fully prepped and ready to go in here. And then we'll kind of slowly throughout the week, over the weekend, finish prepping all the other floors. Oh, you're gonna pour water.
Let's see if I can flush it.
That's smart.
It's all just like dry dirt and meat, so maybe I can soften it up and it'll just push out.
That's smart.
Enough water.
Yeah. I mean, that's what they're supposed to do. So
Or water.
I think eventually we're gonna have to get gutter guards for the ones that are covered with leaves.
Eventually, I think we're gonna have to get whole new gutters.
Well, yeah, whole new gutters with gutter guards. Yeah. I mean, that's just the the name of the game with this house. Eventually.
But I'm just trying to put off as much as I can.
Everything right now is kind of Band-Aid solution.
A little bit, like, do the stuff, like, that's gotta get done big, like, right? You know, that's why I want to rip out all the floor and the trim and the crown, or the quarter round, and,
Yeah.
you know.
The things that are difficult to do post-move-in. That's really what our game plan.
You can do gutters in a year, you know?
Yeah.
You can do gutters once they rip off.
Yeah. We also have a lot of projects, like, dedicated towards spring. Like, spring is going to be kind of...
There's probably gonna be
Yeah.
spring.
Round 2 is springtime.
The bathroom.
Yeah. We're going to be setting aside a lot of money. So, you know, if you guys like these videos, make sure to like them and hit subscribe, because who knows, maybe this channel will get monetized and we can utilize some of the funds from our videos to put back into the house. Alright, I'm going to show you him flushing out the gutters.
Yeah, I just want you to check it so
Okay.
that I know if it's working or not.
Let's check this out. It's trickling. It comes out from behind. There's like a hole, right? Okay, I can see where it is. So right where this bracket is, it comes out behind and runs down. It's dripping out the bottom, but I can't tell if it's coming out the gutter or behind the gutter, you know?
I'm gonna do it again, but I'm gonna pour it in right above it so that it just,
Yeah.
all the pressure is right there.
much done for today. It's about 5 o'clock, which is kind of what we said. We were aiming between 3 and 5, but we had people come over, so we socialized a little bit with them first, which kind of cut into work time. But out of our list, our to-do list, we got almost everything done. The only thing we didn't get done was, what was the top one?
Carpet tack.
Carpet tack. So there's only carpet tack in the one room left, which will be quick. And then we didn't vacuum, but that was kind of like, if we had time, I'd do it, but I can do that tomorrow because I'm coming back tomorrow. Yeah, we got a lot of progress done in one weekend. It looks honestly a lot different in here already.
Smells a lot different.
Smells cleaner, and yeah, we're tired. Have to go home, shower. I'll probably make another video every time I'm here, so there's gonna be plenty of renovation videos. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.